right? So SQL clauses, guys. So clauses means so generally if you write any query in SQL, we use some keywords, right? Some keywords we use. Okay, those are called the clauses, guys. Clauses like let's check. See, we use daily from we use. Okay, we use where also, and we use select here. All of it select. Then we can use group by. Group by. Next having order by, right? Like this. These are the shown here SQL clauses, guys. Select from where, group by, having, order by. Okay, and like on, we know about on also, guys, right? We know about the on. We know about the on. Okay, so these all are the SQL clauses, guys, and these are the main things of any SQL query, guys. Okay, all of you. So till last class, we used regularly the first three, right? And group by, having, we are not used any time in the previous classes, right? We will see very clearly all in today's class. Okay, these are some of the clauses, guys. Okay, some of the clauses will add remaining after this 6 hour, right? So first, here, out of this all, first what executes here, out of this all, first what executes here. See, clause means a keyword. After keyword, what you write here, in this case, read the which one, guys? Column list, right? We read the column list, guys. Like maybe star or a specific columns, right? This complete part is called a select clause. All of you, the keyword, after keyword, what you write, what we use here, this complete part is called on class, select class. After from what we use table name, right, guys? We use the table name. So from table name is the one class. Traffic. Next, where is there? Where after where what we use the condition, right? After where we use the condition. Okay, this is the which one, where class, right? Where class, guys. After group by, we use suppose some column name. This is called a group by class. Having after having, again we use one condition. We use one more condition like this. After column, we use a column name, right? Order based column like this. Okay, column name, guys. Column name, right? So like this combination is called class. Select class. You select and columns list from class, where class, group by class, having class, condition class. Okay. Out of this all, first what executes means, anybody can guess here? Out of this all, initially what executes? Out of this all, anybody, guys? Anyone can tell me now what executes out of this all? First one. Vira. See, where we use for filter, right? Where we use for a filter. If you want to filter the data, first of all, you have to fetch the data, right? All of you. If you want to filter the data, first of all, we must have the data. We must have the data. All of you. Without having the data, where do we filter? No, right? So that's why first of all, always the from looks good, guys. From table name means from the table data will fetch. On the data, we apply the condition. Guys. All of you. So first, okay, first from will execute, and here data will come. On the data, filter will apply. Guys. All of you, guys, right? I'll open MySQL, guys. Right. So use MySQL 7 AM DB, right? 7 AM DB, guys. Yes. Next, show tables. Otherwise, guys, I'll do one thing, all of you. I will do one thing here. To work with these all classes, if you have the little bit big table, it's better, guys. If you have the little bit big table, which has like 100 rows, 50 rows, that's better, right? Because here in employee data, course students data, we have the small data, right? All of you observe here. Show databases, database name. One second, guys, 1 second. Oh. Guys, here I will do one thing now. Delete from table name where ID greater than, suppose 500, guys. This I'm taking the only some data only, okay? 500, guys. Right. Now we have the only 500 rows. Okay, all of you. Right. Okay, that's better. Now, guys, observe here. So here, first, what I'm doing here, I'm fetching the data, right? I'm fetching the data, guys. On the data, okay, I'm going to apply condition here. All of you. So the first one is the ID, guys, IDs, then first name, then last name, then email, then salary, then job, company, and location, guys. This is all fake data, guys. This is all fake data, dummy data, okay? Dummy data, guys. Don't think that, sir, police in TCS, how it's possible, sir. All of you, okay? So it's all dummy data. This data generated randomly, guys. Or else I'll decrease little more also, guys. So I take the 100 above 100, I'm deleting all. Right. Now we have the only 100 rows, guys. Okay. Yes, this is better. So guys, here, what's happening now? So I'm using two queries, right? Two clauses here. What's first one? All of you guys observe here. So guys, observe here. So in this case, what I used here, only select is there, other one from is there, guys. Okay. Select is there, from is there. Select from. So in these two, first, what executing here? First from executing, guys. First of all, the from executing. Okay. So means from means what's happening here? From this table data coming, the data, how much you want to display that you're selecting, guys, here. That you are selecting. All right. So first, from this table data coming. From that one, how much you are displaying, that you are choosing, guys. That we are choosing. That we are choosing here. All of you guys observe very clearly. So from table name means, this all data coming up, which has a n number of rows, all of observe, guys, here. So n number of rows. This is the columns, right? I'm taking the columns. The same time, these are the rows, guys. Okay, these are the rows like this. Right. So from table name is what is happening here? This is all data coming. First of all, this is all data, okay, coming guys from database, right? Out of all, which columns you want display, which columns you want display, that is we specify in the select guys. Which columns you want display, which columns you want display, that is choosing where, choosing in the where, in the selector. After selector, if I take the star means I want all the columns. Star means all the columns. Or you can specify specific columns. Like I want first name column, one last name only, or emails, or job, or company. You can specify the columns list also separated by comma, guys. First name, comma, last name, comma, job, comma, like this. So which columns you want display, that we choose in the selector. Okay, all of you. Then which rows you want display, which rows you want that we choose in the where, guys. Where. All of you observe here. I just take now. I just take here where suppose job equal to, let's take the police, guys. For example, I'm saying police. Then what's the meaning now? See, out of these all rows, some rows belongs to police, right? Police job, guys. Some belongs to software, some belongs to trainer, some belongs to police, some belongs to some hardware. Like that, a lot of rows are there randomly, guys. Out of 100, maybe 30 belongs to police, 20 belongs to software, 20 belongs to, okay, some hardware, some extra, other belong to trainer. Like that, a lot of rows are there. So now, which rows you want display, that we choose in the where class. That we choose in the where class. All of right. In the from where you want to get the data. In the selector, which columns you want display. In the where, which rows you want display, we choose, guys. All of you. So in the from class, what we specify, from where we get the data, from where we want to get the data. There is a from class. Select means which columns you want display, which columns you want display out of this data. Where means out of this data, which rows you want display, which rows you want display, right? Now guys, observe here. Now see, right, salary column, job column, company column, and the location column, right? Location column, guys. Now, so I'm taking out here where, see, if I use the star, what is happening here? All columns displayed. Suppose you don't want all columns, then what do I do? Select job, comma, salary. Okay, just to guys like this. Salary from table name. So from table name, right? Like this. From table name, yes. Now observe here, guys, only the jobs and their salaries came. Or else I want to display like first name, job and salary. See, all employees first names, their jobs, their salaries coming, guys. Means we can specify, okay, required columns in the selector. From we are specifying from where you want to get the data. From their data, which columns you want to display, that we are specifying here. Out of these columns, which data you want to display, like based on the job or based on the employee name or salary, let's specify. I want all police data only. This is the police, this is the police, this is the police, these are the police, right? Let's specify where job equal to police. Where job equal to police. Observe all of you. Observe here. So what happened now? So only police data displayed, guys. Which data? Only police data displayed. All of you. So see what happened here from the main data, from the full data, all of you. From the full data now. So what happened here? The columns filtered, rows also filtered, guys. Both are filtered. Right? Just imagine like this data is there, right? Just imagine it's like this. We have the data. Now, first I specified, guys, here. All of them. First, what I specified here from table name, right? So from okay, something employee data, guys. Some table name, employee data means from table name, from this table, first I choose all. I choose all the data in the table, guys. We choose all data in the table, we choose all the data. Again, any filter you want to display, if you want to filter any columns or all columns, you want to get, I want to get only few columns. Then what do I do here? You write here, guys. You write the columns names like select. Okay, suppose the first name, some job. Okay, job. All columns. Whatever columns you want to write that one. Okay, now out of all columns, suppose this first name column, this job column, this job column, and some like salary column selecting, guys. Out of all these three columns, I'm selecting. These three, we're selecting out of all the columns. Okay, from these three columns, all rows coming, guys, right? All rows coming for those three columns. All rows coming, right? Now, out of all rows, do you want all the rows or specific rows which belongs to like police or software or a salary more than 10,000? Means if you want to filter on the data, then what we use, guys, here? We use where job equal to one here police. Actually, here all jobs are there. Here one row belongs to maybe software job, police job, hardware job, police job, trainer, again police. So random data is there, right? So wherever police is there, the data I'm fetching, guys. So result of this query, so this is the one, guys. This is data. This data, right? So this data has two filters. One filter on the where, other filter on the selector. Select, guys. Filter on select means the taking the required columns. Taking the required columns. So that means the this is not the actual data. This is the part of the actual data, guys. All of observe. This is the actual data. This is the full data. This is the full data. And now we got the part of the full data. It's not actual data, not main data, guys. From the main data, it's a specific part, a few parts only. All of you, okay. This is the main data, guys. No, this one, main table or main data, right? Main data. This is the which one here? Okay, result data, guys. Result data. Output data, guys. The main data has maybe 100 rows, right? How many? 100 rows are there, and maybe 6 columns are there. 100 rows and 6 columns, right? But here, how many rows are there, guys? Here, 27 rows are there. 27 rows are there, and I've taken only 3 columns only. 3 columns, guys. All of okay. The result data always less than the which one actual data, guys. Maybe less or equal, but not more. All of okay. So let me know, guys. Everybody's clear. This 3 clauses. You can keep condition anywhere, guys. The condition you can keep anywhere. Suppose right now I want these 3 columns where salary greater than suppose 25,000, guys. 25,000. See, out of 100, only 49 students employees having the salary more than 25,000. More than 25,000. All of you, okay? Right. All of you guys, everybody's clear. So means on the from class we have we apply the where, right? We apply the where, guys. It's from here we get the actual data. On the actual data to filter we use the which one of you, right? We use the where condition. We use the where, okay? Where condition, guys. All of let me know, guys. Everybody's clear these 3. First 3, all of you. All of you guys. Everybody's clear these 3. So always we use where on the from class, guys. From class. All right. Once from class over, the data will come. On the data, we are applying the filter. We are applying the filter, guys. Okay. Now next, what is group by, sir? What is group by? What is group by? Okay. Yes. So group by means all of you guys observe here. So group by means sorry. So group by means, for example, guys, in the table, right? Yes. Coming to jobs, guys. Now, just coming to jobs here. So here, trainers are there, police are there, right? Softwares and marketing, guys, right? Marketing is there. Now, so for all police people, how much salary? For all softwares, guys, for all marketing, for all okay trainers, we want to calculate the sum of salaries, the highest salaries, least salaries, guys. Group by. We're grouping all similar values, guys. We're grouping all similar values. Means all softwares will group as a one. For those, I can find the highest salary, least salary, sum of salaries like that. All right. Suppose what is the total salary of all softwares, for example, guys? What is the total salary of all the softwares only? Or what is the highest salary of all the softwares? What is the least salary of all the softwares? All of you. Or at least company wise, guys. Company wise, okay. What is the total salary of IBM company? That's all. Means all IBMs I make as a one group. All Infosys I make as a one group. All TCS I make as a one group. All of you like this. That means just observe, guys. So if you want to read the group by, if you want to read the group by, right? Group by, what is mandatory here? The from is always mandatory, guys. Okay, from is always mandatory because from table means what is the meaning? It fits the main data, right? From the main data, all of observe here. So main data coming, right? Main data coming. Then you specify here. Group by, which one? I take the group by job, guys. Group by job means all jobs I'm making the group, means all softwares as a one group, all marketing as a one group, okay, and all trainers as a one group, like that, guys. All similar values make the single group. Now group by job, and group by job, what you want now? I want a sum of salary. That's all, guys. Sum of salary. Sum of salary, guys. All of you observe. So from table name means the actual data coming here. On the actual data, I'm performing the group by, guys. On the actual data, I'm performing the group by. What is group by? Group by job. It's all similar jobs as one group. For each job, I want to find a sum of salary. For each job, I want to find how much sum of salary, guys. Let us try now the query. Now all of you observe here. 1 second, guys. Here. Saying that group by job. 1 second, guys. Your expression for the right syntax. Maybe group by underscore is there, no? I think no underscore, right? Any space. Yes, guys. All of you just group by space. See now. So we have those jobs, guys. Now we have which jobs now? The jobs are one is police job is there. All of you. Which jobs, sir? So one is the police job. One is the okay. Police, guys, police job. Next one, marketing job, right? Next, softwares, guys, softwares, and trainers, right, guys, trainers. So all police employees, this is the salaries, guys, sum of salaries. All marketing employees, sum of salaries. All softwares are sum of salaries. All trainers are sum of salaries. But here clarity is not there. So for police, which one, sir? Is it 7,80,000 or 4,50,000 or 7,55 or 8,80,000? Which one belongs to police? Which belongs to marketing? Which belongs to softwares? Which belongs to trainers? Clarity is not there, guys. Okay. For that case, what do I do here? I am giving the job, comma. I am displaying the job also. I am displaying what? I am displaying the job also, guys. All of you, yes. Now, for marketing, all salaries, how much now? 7,80,000, guys. For all softwares, how much salary here? 4,50,000. For all police employees, what's how much here salary, guys? Subject now, all of you, right? Sum of salary, guys. So sum of salary, you can take alias name also, guys. We know, right? Right, to take here total right salary like this, guys. Just to take the alias name because displaying the function as it is, right? Sum of salary like that. I just take the alias name, guys. I just take the alias. Right. So marketing total salary, how much here? 7,80,000, guys. For software, total salary, how much here? 4,50,000. For police, 7,75, 55. Trainer, 8,80,000, guys. All of you. Okay, to find sum of salaries. Not like that, sir. Each job wise, what is the highest salary? Means, sir, in the marketing job, what is the highest salary, sir? In software employees, what is the highest salary? For police, what is the highest salary, right? For trainer, what is the highest salary? Yes, the same question, guys. The same question. Just what do we do here? Okay, we take the which one? Max, guys. Max salary. I take here. Okay, highest salary. Now, just observe all of you. Just to take the only the max name. That's all. Right. All of you, in the marketing, highest salary is 40,000, guys. In software also, highest salary 40,000 is there. In police also, highest salary 40,000, guys. In trainer also, highest salary 40,000. Okay. Now, what is the minimum salary? Minimum, guys. Okay, minimum salary means job wise. What is the minimum salary? Job wise, what is the minimum salary, guys? Okay. See, minimum salary for each job, 20,000 is the minimum salary, guys. 20,000 is the minimum salary. All of you. So all of it is clear. So group by, we give the column name. On that one, what you want perform, specify the operation compulsorily here. All of you. I think we have the count also, guys. Count of salaries. Just observe. Let's try, guys. Here, count of salaries. Count of salaries. Right. So guys, that means salaries by counting sir means just to know marketing how many salaries are there. 24 salaries means 24 employees are there, guys. Simply you can say that. You can take here count of. You can take the first name for example, guys, if you want. Because of count, you can use any column, string column, any column, guys. Okay, how many first names are there? You can see now. How many first names are? How many marketing employees are there? 24 employees, guys. Total number of marketing people. Total number of softwares, how many are there? 17 members are there. Total number of police, how many are there? 27, guys. Total number of trainers, how many? 32. 32 is the total number of trainers. All of you, guys. All of you. All of you, okay? So let me know, guys. Everybody's clear. So when you perform the group by operation, on group by what you want to perform, you have to compulsory take it. Do you want count of all the similar employees, or do you want to find the highest or least or some compulsory perform the an operation, guys? All of you. So here, what we use, guys? Here we use three classes, right? Three classes, guys. What are those we used here? So here from is there, right? From is there. Okay, then group by guys, group by, and then select is there. Out of these three, first from will select work guys from executes means actual data will come, main data will come. On actual data, performing the group by operation guys. Of group by operation, they're finally displaying the data guys, displaying the data. So, so from group by and select guys. All of you, all of you guys. Okay, suppose in this only I'm taking now where also guys. Just observe now guys, all of you observe here. Just take here where id great less than for example 90 guys, 90. Yes, just all of you observe guys. So what I'm taking now, I'm taking the just 89 employees only guys. Actually, we have the 100 employees right now. We have the 100 employees. On 100 employees, we're performing the count operation, max and minimum, right? I'm taking the less number of employees only. How many employees now? 90 employees, right? 89 employees, guys. Now, I just run this one, guys. Just run this one. The count will change, right? The count will change, guys. Right. All of observe. Previously, how many marketing? 24 marketing. Now, how many here? Okay, 20 marketing guys. Previously, the software so many 17. Now, same 17 is there. Previously, full so many 27, but now 24. And previously, how many trainers? 32, but now 28 only guys. Now, now all of you guys, out of this four, tell me order guys, order of the execution. First, which class executes? Second, third, fourth. All of you guys, let me know. Out of this four, okay, can you tell me now order guys? Out of this four, what's first one, what's second, what is third guys? Anyone can tell? Raise the hand guys. I'll give the okay permission. Venkatesh, please.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, first from class will execute, sir. So
right.
Based on data, then we will apply the condition, sir, where condition.
Right.
And then we can group the data using group by.
Right.
And we will display the data, sir. That means fetch the display data using selector.
Correct. Very good. So it means what's the meaning here? Yeah, very good English. Thank you. So first of all data will come here. First of all data, right? All data will come. Out of all data, I'm taking the required data, On required data, performing the group by. That result I am displaying here. I am displaying here. All right. So first, what I'm doing here, I'm getting the all data first of all data. Out of all, taking the required data. Where means taking the required data. Generally here in this case, I'm taking the required data. Out on the required data, perform the group by operation, guys. Group by operation. A result of the group by operation, we are displaying here. All of you. So here, group by operation performing on where? On the required data. Because where is there? Suppose where is not there. The group by performing where? On the actual data, on the main data. All of the difference here. All of okay. So here where is not there means this group by working on where? Working on the main data. But now we have the group by. That means the group by not working on the main data, working on the result data or this okay, which one? Required data working guys. That's why it's counting not all the total employees, not all total marketing. See, total marketing how many are 24 are there, but total marketing how many here 20 are there. The difference is so here the group by working on the which one on the main data guys, actual data. But here the group by working on where, working on the where condition, guys. The required data, filter data, required data or filter data. All of you guys, okay? Right. Now, very important, guys. Very important now. Very important. All of you now. This where is applying on which data, guys? Let me know. This where applying where. That's where condition applying where on the from clause. All of right. On the from the actual data coming on the actual data, on the actual data, the where applying to fetch the required data, to fetch the required data. Okay, that's fine. Now group by applied, right? Group by applied, guys. This is called group by table. You can say this is called the group by table. Here actual table, guys. Result here. What is there now? All of you observe. So actual, right? Actual table, right? Actual table, guys. After group by, one table came again, right? All of you observe. After group by also one table came. I can say that this is the group by table, guys. I can say that. I can say that this is the which one? Group by table. Group by table. All of you. I'm saying that this is the group by table. Simply group by result, right? So group by table, guys. All of you are following me. This is the actual table, guys. The from clause, the result of the from what will come now? The actual table will come. On the actual table, we use where to apply condition. To apply condition, right? That's fine. Now group by also applied, guys. Of group by, we have the group by table, right? Group by table. On the group by table, if you want to filter, then what we do? On the actual table, if you want condition, we use the where, guys. We use the where. We use the where. On the group by table, I want to apply one condition. Then we use having. We use having, guys. We use having. All of you. So where is used to apply condition on the actual table. Actual table. Having is used to apply the condition on the which one? On the group by result or group by table, guys. For example, we got the data, right? We got the group by table, guys. Now what I want now, what I want, guys, here, this is the count, okay? Not the hash chalet, this is count, guys. Now, what I want here, so out of these 4 types of jobs, wherever employee count more than 20, I want display. I don't want all employees, guys, all the, okay, the jobs. What I want now, in whatever job, we have the 20 or above 20, that's what I want display here. All of you observe, guys. Okay, so in marketing job, how many are there? 20 are there. In software job, how many are there? 17 are there. In police job, how many are there? 24 are there. In trainer, how many are there? 20 employees are there. Now what I want now, in whatever job, we have the 20 or above 20 employees, those only I want. Those only we want. All of you guys. All of you. In that case, we use the having. We use having, guys. Having, right? So here, now, I take this one now. Short name is employee count, guys, like this. All of you. What I'm taking now? Employee count. Last name, okay. Now, that employee count I'm going to use. We're having employee count greater than equal to 20 like this. All of you. What's employee count? Employee count is the alias name for what here? For this result, guys. All of you guys, let me know. All of let me know, guys. It was clear. This difference between where and having. All of let me know, guys. All of you, everybody's clear. All of us, give reply. All of us, give reply. All of you. All of you. Guys, all give reply. I explain one more time, no problem. I explain, but before that, all give reply. Understand? Yes. Now I'll repeat one more time, guys. I'll repeat one more time. One more time. All of you observe, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe here. So see, actually the main table is there, guys. The main table is there. On the main table, in this case, how many rows are there, guys? There are 100 rows, right, guys? 100 rows are there. The main table, okay, all of you. This is the table. This is the actual, okay. Actual table, right? Actual table, guys, okay. On the actual table, how many rows are there? 100 rows, right? All of you. Actual table, on that, how many rows are there? 100 rows are there. On the actual table, if you want to filter, then we use the where condition. We use, right? We use the where, okay, where condition, guys. We use a where condition. Alafu. On the actual table, if you want to filter, we use the where condition, okay? We use a where, right? Now, so by applying the group by, out of all the data, what I'm fetching, guys, here, I'm fetching one table, right? A small table I'm fetching here, like jobs, right? Marketing jobs, some sum of salary or a higher salary, least salary, contact employees. Next, Jordan, here, softwares, sum of salaries, account of salaries, higher salary like this. Next, trainers, okay, some arithmetic value, guys, here and some more, right? So here one more table coming, guys. It's a kind of table, not actual table. It's a filter table, guys. It's a which table filter, or you can say group by table, guys. It's a result of group by, right? It's a group by table, okay? Group by table, guys. In this table, how much data is there? I think 4 rows, okay? 4 rows, guys. 4 rows. Now on the actual data, on the actual table, if you want to apply any condition, then we use a where clause, guys. We use the where clause. And the group by result, if you want to apply any condition, then we use a having. We use having, guys. Okay, all of you. So this is result of what, guys? This result of what? Group by, right? Result of group by. On the result of group by, I'm performing what here? Condition, guys. I'm performing the condition. Means if there is no group by, that means there is no having, guys. There is no having, because on the group result only I'm performing the condition. On the group result only I'm performing the condition, guys. On the actual table only I'm performing the where. On the actual table only we are performing the where on the main table. And the group by result only I'm performing the which one having, guys. Means again condition. All of you, guys, okay. All of you guys, everybody's clear now? All of you. Saita. Okay. So on the main table, if you want to perform the filter, then we use the where. Now on group by means some result coming, right? See, guys, on group by, some result coming, table format coming, right? Table format coming, maybe 2, 3 columns, maybe 4, 5 rows only is there. but still table format, right? On that one, I want to perform the which one the condition. Then we use what guys here? We use having, right? We use having guys. We use having. Okay. Just observe all of you. Just observe here. Just observe here. Sorry. Let the take down query guys. Here I remove this one. Right. We can see guys now. So here what is happening now? Here the jobs which contains 20 above 20 employees only we are displaying guys. The jobs, which jobs? All marketing jobs, all police guys, all trainers. Okay. In marketing, if you are 20 above 20, I am displaying marketing. If police also 20 above 20 is there, I am displaying. In trainer also, how many employees are there? 20 above 20 are there. I am displaying guys. I am displaying. For example, guys, salaries. Okay, in whatever the job, the salary is above 1,50,000. I want display, guys. In the job, whatever the job it is, okay. In the job, if you have the salary, right? Salary, guys. I take the simply salary. I'm taking the same name, guys. Again, right? Okay. Right. Salary, sum like this, guys. Okay, all of you. Salary sum. Now what's condition here? Okay, whatever the job, the salary is sum, suppose more than or equal to how much guys, plus how much data came? Average for salaries. Sum of salaries, right? Sum of salaries min max 7 lakhs 8,000 like this, right? I'll take here 7 lakhs guys, for example. I'm taking now, okay, 7 lakhs guys. Now all of this, what's meaning now? Now whatever job, the total salary is 7 lakhs above. That jobs only I want display, guys. That jobs only we want display. That jobs only we want to display, guys. Okay, see now. Only the trainers getting the 7 lakhs above, guys. Only all trainers some salary is above 7 lakhs. Means remaining jobs like marketing, all marketing employees also getting less than 7 lakhs only. All softwares getting less than 7 lakhs only. All marketing people getting less than 7 lakhs only. Less than 7 lakhs only, guys. All of you guys. Everybody display this one, guys. Okay. Right. So now out of this all, guys, out of this all, guys, okay. This is right, this is guys. How many are there here? 5 are there, right, guys? 5 are there. Anyone tell me now the order, guys? What's first execute, second? What is the order, guys? Now, out of these 5 classes, select class, from class, where class, group by, having. I wrote the 5 classes here. Out of this 5, what is the order of execution, guys? All of you. All of you. Anybody, guys, raise the hand? Gayatri. From where group by having selector. From where, very good, guys. All giving the correct. Right. Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar. Anyone, guys? Raise the hand. Yeah, Savita, please.
Sir, first from,
First from, right?
then where condition,
Right, where condition,
then group,
group by,
then having condition,
having,
last one select.
right, very good. Now, can you explain in each one what is happening in each one? You are saying the order, that's correct. Huh? In
Okay.
each one, what is happening?
Sir, first from table, all our rows, all our columns are executed. Then where condition filtered.
Hmm.
Then group by which column you want.
Ah.
Then having some salary condition.
Hmm.
Then particular columns are executed, sir.
That is playing, right?
Hmm.
Right, very good. Yes, yes. Yes. Any other guys? Any other one? Any other one? Right. Now all of observe. So first the from we have the table name, right? That means from this table, first of all data coming up. All rows, all columns coming first of all of observe. Initially, all rows, all columns coming up. All rows, all columns coming here. All rows, all columns. Okay, later I am taking the specific rows, but still all columns are there. All of you. So from table name means actual data, full data means all rows, all columns coming up. Out of all rows, I'm filtering by using where. Okay, now some filter data is there, not all data now, all of you. Right now, all data is not there. Some filter data is there. On filter data, I'm doing the group by operation. Group by means, okay, for all same type of values, I'm finding the salary guys, sum of salaries. So group by job means for all police employees, what is the sum of salary? For all, okay, means all similar values, I'm making the one group, separate group. For the group, I'm finding the maybe some salary or max salary, min salary, average salary, or count of employees I'm performing, guys. Okay, after performance, again on that one, on the group by result, again I am doing the condition, guys. I'm applying the condition. Of condition over, the result data displaying the jobs and the sum of shall displaying, guys. All of it. In the group by whatever you specify, those all we have to take here, guys. In the group by what you specify, group by job, then take the job comma like this. All of you guys. Okay, right. Now what do I do, guys? Here I just take a let's number, guys. I just take the suppose 5 lakhs. Okay, I just take the 5 lakhs. Just guys observe here. I just take the 5 lakhs. Right. So above 5 lakhs, how many are there, guys? Three jobs are there. In these 3 jobs, there's sum of salary. How much here? 5 lakhs, right? Means who is getting less than 5 lakhs, guys? Software is getting less than 5 lakhs, right? Okay, no problem, guys. Now, so again, this one I want keep in the order, top to bottom order, guys. Like first highest shall 76, then 65, then 64. Then again to keep the order we use order by. We use order by okay, salary sum, guys. Order by salary sum. The salary sum is the right, guys. Means I'm keeping the order. Which order now by default? Ascending order coming, right, guys? Ascending order coming. Ascending order coming, guys. Okay. Ascending order by default. Ascending order coming, guys. Right? 64 or 65 or 76. Same like this one. I want descending. Then what do we use, guys? You know, descending. I think DESC we use, right, guys? DESC I am using. DESC I am using now. Now all of you observe here. Control C this one. Let's take the control V. Yes. Right, guys. Descending order salaries, right? First 76, then 65, then 64. Okay. 76, 65, 64, guys. 64. That's all. Now, all of you guys, this group by we can apply anywhere, guys. Anywhere means after main data we apply group by, or after filtering also we apply group by, or after having also we apply group by, guys. Suppose observe now, guys. Observe here. Just imagine now it is not there. Okay, not there, guys. Now group by what we take here? Group by suppose otherwise, guys, it will be same as it is. The group by to apply group by. Okay, just I take the first from table name, guys. What's table name? Employee data. Okay. Means all data coming, guys. Now all data means what meaning here? All rows, all columns, all coming. And the all data I am taking the which one? Order by salary descending order, guys. Descending order. That order I want display as per the order. I want display select star. Means see all data coming, guys. That all data just to apply the filter and displaying. Sorry, we apply the group by and display, guys. Means here data is not filtering. Data is not filtering. So we will have the output all the data, guys. Full actual data is available. All rows, all columns available. All rows, all columns are available, guys. What happened this one? Right. All of observe here. So what's happening here? All rows coming, right? 100 rows coming, guys, and all columns coming. But salary, which order is there, guys? Here, descending order is there, right? Descending order, guys. See in the top 40, right? Then 30 will be there, 27. Like descending order is there, guys. All of you. Okay. And one more thing you can take here. Two columns apply, guys. Group by job. Group by job. Okay. Comma. Group by job. Comma. Suppose salary, guys. Let me take two columns. Group by job, sorry, order by job, salary, guys. Order by job, salary. Order by job and salary, guys. Now, can anyone tell me, guys, now what is happening here? Anyone tell me now, guys, what is happening? What is happening here? I applied two columns, right? Job and salary. Means what is happening internally? Anyone? All of you. Raise the hand, guys. Anyone wants to explain? So I taking the group by job comma salary, right, guys? Group by job comma salary. This one, anyone wants to explain? Just raise the hand, guys. Yes, Savita. Oh, no, nobody is there. Anyone, guys? Anyone? Anshuman Sahu, please.
Sir, sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, he takes first jobs, and in
Ah.
every jobs he make in descending order in salary.
Ascending order.
Sorry, ascending order.
Right. Very good. Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So means what is happening here? So here, see, order by first what is their job? Okay, job. Which order? Ascending order. In our case, jobs are first marketing, right? M, guys. Ascending order M. Okay, marketing. After marketing, P, police, guys. After police, softwares. After softwares, trainers, like this. Ascending order, guys. Okay, A to Z ascending order. A to Z. M, marketing, police, software trainer, right, guys? Now in each marketing, again, salaries ascending order, guys. Again, salaries ascending order. In each marketing, see the marketing, guys. The marketing, see salaries. Okay, ascending order came 20, 25, okay, 30, and 40, guys. See, all of you, right? Over up to here, over, guys. Means first in marketing, what is happening here? Salary is coming ascending order. Salary is coming ascending order. And now marketing over. Again, police. Again, salary is ascending order coming, guys. Salary is ascending order, right? A to Z. Again, see, police is there. Again, salary from where starting, guys? Here, starting from again 20, 20, 20, 20, and keep on going on, guys. Love you. You can see now, just I move down now. I move down, you can observe, guys. Observe the police job, all of you. Observe the police job. In the police job also, in the police, right? In the police also, what is happening, guys? Here, the salaries, first 20 is there, guys. 20 is there. Next, 25 is there, guys. And 30 is there, right? 30 is there. Next, 40 is there, guys. Where is all available? Where in the police job, guys? So first, this is the ordering. Which one, guys? This is the first one ordering, right? Then now that one, second, this is the ordering, guys. All of you. Suppose I take now job comma or job comma, then company comma salary, guys. Now what's happening here? First, jobs will order. In the job, companies will order. In the companies, salary will order, guys. Okay, and all in the ascending order only. We are taking all in the ascending order, right, guys? All taking the ascending order. Yes. Now let's go here. Right. Now all of you guys. So first, which one here? First job, right, guys? Okay, take the first job. First marketing job came. The marketing job, what's a company, right, guys? They are also ascending order, right? That's why first IBM, then Infosys, then TCS, and Wipro. 4 jobs, 4 companies. In the IBM, again salaries, guys. Okay, salaries you see here, salaries all of you. Ascending, right? Ascending order. 25, 40 is there. In Infosys, guys, see salaries now. 22, how much now? Okay, 40, guys. That's all right. It's the same size, same equal, guys, like this. All of right. Next TCS, what salaries here? 25 starting, and just only 4 employees are there, right, guys? Only 4 employees are there. Wipro, you can see now 25 to again 40, guys. Love you. So here the first one, which one? Job. Second, company. Third one, salary, guys. Third one, salary, right? For example, what do I do now? I'll take the I remove this company, guys. Job ascending, but salary descending. I want salary descending. You want all of you. I want the salary descending, guys. I'm taking now salary, right? Salary descending, right, guys. I'm taking now salary descending order. Right. Now again, guys, observe here. So marketing, the marketing salary order descending order is right. So that's why first 40, then 30, then 25. Okay, and only 120 is there in the market, guys. Only 20 is there. Look, all of you. Means what is meaning here? We're able to apply order by on the actual data, right? On the actual data, guys. The same time I'm taking now, suppose where ID, suppose, guys, let's take here greater than suppose 10, guys. What's the meaning now? First 10 will not come, right? First 10 will not come, guys. First 10 will not come. 11 onwards, okay. On that also I can apply the which one? Apply the this order by, right? How many, guys? Right, 90 are there. First not taking, right? Remember 90. On that also I can apply order by, guys, right? I can apply order by. Here, right? Same. Now the marketing, guys, the marketing which order is there? All of you. Same, right? So marketing, and the marketing again, salaries are descending order, right? Salaries are descending order. That's all. All of you guys. Okay, means the order by we can apply on the actual data directly, or you can apply on the filter data also, guys. On the filter data also. Okay, all of you. The next one, I'm performing the group by, guys. So on the group by, right? Or else I perform here. Right, guys, observe now. So group by, group by, guys. Okay, group by job, guys. For example, right? Group by job or group by. Let's take the company, guys. When you apply group by compulsory, guys, here. If I take the star, then what will happen? Let's see, guys. Okay, if I take the star, then what will happen now? Observe here. All of you. So what's happening here? So for all police supply, right? Only one group by company, right? Sorry, guys. Group by company, guys. Okay, all of you. Now company coming, guys, and Wipro, right? And TCS and Infosys, guys. Infosys. All of you observe here. Okay. Right. Now, what do I do here? For all the IBM, okay, I want to sum like this, guys. You can apply, right, guys? You can apply here. I take the company. I take a company. I take here sum of salary like this. Now, previously, what I displayed, okay, one IBM, one Pro, one teachers, one Infosys, guys. But now, for all IBMs, it's taking the sum of salary, right? For all Pro, sum of salary, guys. Okay. On that also, I'm taking now order by what, guys, here? Order by job, right? All of you, right? Order by job. But here job is not there, right? Now I'll take the order by suppose company, guys. Okay. Order by company. We'll take now group by same, guys. I'm taking the order by also. Right. So our order is there, right, guys? Company is already order is there. Assigning order is there. Let me take the descending order. Right. Wipro, TCS, Infosys, IBM, guys. Okay. All of you. So, right, guys. In this case, next one again, having, all we have seen having, right, guys. You can take the again, having also. All of you. So like this, what we are doing, we can perform, we can write any complex story also, guys. I take the suppose company, suppose, guys, just imagine I take the company, which one, I just take the TCS, guys. Let us see now. All of you. Let us see now. I'm taking the having company, right, guys. What came now? For all TCS came, guys, right? For only TCS. Actually, here all are there, but I'm displaying which one, TCS only, guys. Just for example, then having is there now. All of you. Okay. Right, guys. So these are the some of the, okay, which one, guys, clauses. Okay. So till now, guys, we discussed all the topics which are required as a Python developer. At this course, guys, we practice more, and I'll prepare some more questions, guys. Some more questions like this. Okay, where we need to apply this, where group by, having, order by. Okay, you think about the questions, guys, and make the answers. All of you, right? And on the SQL, guys, see, as we know that in Python, we are preparing the some interview questions, guys, and keeping in the YouTube, right? Look, all of you. The same way in MySQL also, I start preparing the recording some videos, guys. Okay, small like 8 minutes or 5 minutes, 4 minutes videos separately. And I share you guys. I share those questions. All of you. Okay, the interview questions, guys. Those are also from this only. Those questions also by using clauses, by using subqueries or joins. By using these all, I prepared some videos, guys, some questions around 20, 30 like that, and I share you each video, guys. All of you. Okay, right, guys. So with this one, our SQL is over, guys. Our SQL over. Right, within 2-3 days, guys. At the same time, we start the UI class. In 2-3 days, I'll inform you guys. I'll inform you 1 day before only. We start the UI on the same time. Okay, all of you. Right. So thanks so much, all of you guys. Thank you, guys. Bye.